Alright, let's see what else we got here. Big boxes came in today. They're heavy like paper, like catalogs. What's in here? Yeah, it looks like paper. Here's catalogs. Damn. Junk mail. Alpine Star catalogs. Alpine Star's road apparel. More road apparel. What the hell do they think I'm going to sell around here? Two, 4, 6, 8, 10 of them. You send me 10 of everything. Casual wear. Yeah, I'm not sure I need 10 catalogs. Garbage. I need some firewood. I got some. Alright, what else did you send me? These boxes are heavy. More catalogs. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Just made for San Diego. Snowmobile. Yeah. All over that. How many of those did I get? Oh, dirt bikes too. At least we have those in San Diego. It's a collection issue. Oh, more Alpine Star. Yeah. There's the other box of crap. Update. More Alpine Star footwear now. Yeah. Junk. Oh, we're getting to the good stuff now. Oh yeah. A real catalog finally. I like that part. And I'm not a big fan of that one. What else do we got? Dirt bike tire catalog, street bike tire catalog. Look at all those numbers. More snowmobile crap. Victory. Oh, Indian. Looks like a Victory to me. Watercraft. Ooh, psychedelic crap. Oh, look at all that good, wonderful crap that is. That's a good one. Ooh, medieval. Oh, boy. Bicycles. Oh, a real catalog again. Old book. Now there's a good book, finally. Something I can really get into. Something old. Street bike. My favorite, safety gear. Just what everybody needs, some more safety gear. And an off-road book. Oh, there you go. What a massive crap. See, I signed up to be a drag dealer, but I got to spend $5K, which I don't have. So they sent me all kinds of catalogs to look through. I think I got about one of everything, but I don't know why they sent me packs of those. A whole case of garbage there. I think it's half a case of garbage over here. Alright, so we got dirt bike, street bike. Oh, that's apparel. Street bike. Real bike. New bike. Tires we do need. An update. All the changes they made already. And we got garbage. Yeah, watercraft, ATV, Indian. Ugh. I don't even know what that is. Electric bike, wonderful. Apparel, snow. More apparel, junk, 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 junk. Well, I guess this junk here is, but at least that's a motorcycle, kind of. Junk, junk. What the hell's icon? That's piston manufacturer. Those aren't pistons. Junk, watercraft, junk, junk. Okay, so you know all this crap I don't care about. So this is water. That's water frozen. That's water liquid. That's car crap. And this is dirt. I have a dirt bike, but it ain't that kind of a dirt bike. Then we got street stuff. Updating tire. Modern bike crap. And real Harleys. It's an Evo. That's not old. What the hell kind of a book is that? Evo? Come on. Evo. That ain't old. What the hell they call them? Evos are old? Damn. I'm getting old. An Evo book. Ain't nothing in there. Ain't no painted or no flatted, no knucklehead. Ain't crap in this book. Old book, my butt. Electronic conditions. They don't have electronic conditioning old bikes. They don't even have fucking cables in the old bikes. This is old book. Ain't no parts in it. There ain't nothing in here for an old bike that I can see. At least you got a cam, but that's probably for an Evo. It is. Sportster. Oh, at least got an iron head. It's probably Evo though. Evo book. Those are not old bikes. What a disappointment. Oh, and I got a helmet book over here. Yeah, it goes in the junk pile. Alright, there you go. If anybody wants some cheap ass drag parts, let me know. I need to spend $5K to become a dealer. If you want to buy something cheap, let me know. I'm thinking cost. Oh, I can't say that, can I? How about a severely discounted price rate off of what I pay for it? Yeah, we'll do something like that. So let me know. Anyway, there you go. Welcome to drag. I'm overjoyed.